Some boats you admire from the dock. The Fly 78, you're already off the transom before the coffee's ready. Azimut builds this one in Italy, 3-pod drives instead of 2. Carbon fiber up top so the ride stays flat. And the cockpit doors slide wide open straight onto the water. 78 feet of Flybridge, built for long days, not short showings. Onto plane fast, wake flattening out behind you. 3 engines instead of 2 means power in reserve for the whole day, not just the first hour. Open water in minutes, whichever way the wind's blowing. Garage opens. Tenders in the water before you finished stretching. Side deck runs straight down to the swim platform. No detour through the salon to get there. Flybridge hours mean bar stools and open sky. Room for the whole crew up top. 4-deck lounge, cushions out, engines off, nowhere else to be. 4 cabins aboard, so everyone gets their own door to close. And trim holds itself through a chop so your drink stays in the glass. Whatever the day calls for, there's a deck for it. This isn't a boat you look at over your shoulder heading back in. It's a boat you're still on when the light goes gold and nobody's in a hurry to reach the dock. 4 heads, 8 berths, room for everyone who came along. The day doesn't end when the sun does. Out here, the only schedule is the tide. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.